Want to know what's going on in Columbus here in May of 2026? Well, stick around. We've got a couple things we're going to talk about coming up next. Watch out for the plant. Push you over a little bit.
Oh gosh.
Hey friends, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty. Today I'm with Monica Stuhl on our team, who's our team's Director of Operations, and we are talking about spring things to do here in Columbus in May of 2026. So Monica, I want to talk a little bit about the blog post that you put together and you send out in our newsletter every month. By the way, if you'd like to subscribe to that newsletter, just let us know. We'll add you to the list if you're not already on it. So anyway, what are we looking at as the top few things to do, and maybe what's the most recent or urgent thing coming up here in the beginning of May of 2026?
Yeah, absolutely. So there is still time to check out the COSI Science Festival happening at COSI now until Saturday, May 2nd.
What is your favorite thing at COSI, just out of curiosity?
I have never been to COSI, actually.
You have never been to COSI?
I know.
Turns out you should go to the COSI Science Fest.
Absolutely. I do need to check that out because my husband is a science teacher, so I'm sure he would appreciate that visit.
He's probably appalled that you've never been to COSI.
Probably. Don't tell him.
All right,
don't watch this.
All right, so let's go on past COSI because everybody's already been there except Monica. She may be the only person in Greater Columbus that's never been there. But we want to talk about an event that's coming up that's going to be for not volunteering as much as for donating. So tell me about that.
So check out the Susan B. Komen Race for the Cure with benefits going towards breast cancer research. So that is happening downtown. It's a 5K walk or run happening on Saturday, May 16th.
So if there was a third thing that was maybe outside that you can enjoy any time of year, what would that be? I
would check out the Topiary Gardens downtown. So it is a 7-acre living painting.
7-acre living paint sounds cool. And if you don't know what a topiary is, you're probably not alone, but it's essentially the bushes that they trim up to look like stuff. And they get pretty intricate and pretty cool, so you should go check that out. And last, is there anything else you would tell people, hey, if you got one more minute or one evening, you want to go do something, what would that be?
I would actually go check out the Columbus Welcome Center. So that is pretty new. It just opened. It's a one-stop shop. You can bring people that are visiting from out of town, get some cool Columbus, Ohio merchandise, and then you can also check out their local things to do.
Very good. So the Columbus Welcome Center is new, which I would have thought we'd had a Welcome Center earlier than this, but turns out we just have it now. Go check it out. Well, that's all the things we have for you this month. There's a whole lot of other things on our list. If you want to check out our blog, as I mentioned, it's on our website also at www.ryanreynoldsteam.com. And we thank you for taking a look at this. And as always, it's the Ryan Reynolds team guiding you to the home that fits your life. I almost stumbled over that part, didn't I?
I almost said bye.